Okay guys, it's very freaky gaming and I'm back with another new episode. Guys, today in this episode we are gonna be testing out my very new aircraft. We are gonna be doing a tutorial with it, so you guys should really stand to the end of today's episode. We'll test it out. Okay guys, let's go ahead and look at the plane. There it is, super nice. Just check out, this plane is so cool. Let's check our profile picture right now. Do we have? Okay, we've done a lot of missions and tutorials in very different countries. As you guys can see on the screen right now, I'm going through the countries. Okay, let's go back and check something. Let's check out the plane. It's so cool. Everything is so cool. Let's see if we can get the tutorial. Okay, yeah, that's the tutorial right there, but I think this one you need to buy it, so when we don't have that money, first of all, oh, we need to invite friends. Okay, let's just go ahead and invite somebody to the game. Very cranky game. Okay, let's go ahead and send an invite. Okay guys, I think we just added cranky game into our thing, but it costs 3 million lions to buy this mission, and we don't have that. We only have about 154,000 lions right now, so let's just go and try doing the tutorial. Okay, that's the tutorial right there. Okay, you can see a red button that says start, so let's go ahead and click on it. Okay, loading, and we start to wait, guys. Check out the planning map. Wait, my profile is now in the tax bar over there. Okay, I think this looks cool. So guys, this game is so insane. You guys should probably check it out. As I said in the other episode, you guys should really check the game out. Okay, we'll be soon in the game, so stand to the end of today's episode and see. Oh, this is the plane right there, guys. Check it right in the air. It's so cool, but I think unfortunately they are not able to use the plane I showed you, but check out this plane. It's so cool. Okay, proceed to the waypoint. Wow, look at that. That is so great. Okay, so let's go ahead and proceed to the waypoint. Okay, mission objectives complete. Now we have something else to do. We need to target the targets on the ground targets. Okay, spacebar. Okay, let's start shooting the targets. Okay. Now shoot. Oh, we just dropped a super heavy bomb on the target. Let's see. Boom, it just exploded. You guys can see that on the screen. Oh, now we need to be plane away from the land, so let's go ahead and do that. Mission objectives completed. Okay, now we are gonna be shooting some ground enemies. Let's go ahead. Oh, target destroyed. Target. Oh, don't crash. Oh my god, that was close. I want to know in the comment section down below what you guys think about my flying. Well, just let me know how good it is. If it's not good, I'm gonna improve my flight. Whoa, we need to reduce the nose down because the speed is too much. Let's go ahead and do that. Right now It's 281 going down to, whoa, right now it's 229. It's still reducing. Okay, I think we are good. Oh my god, just check this out. It's so good. I didn't intend to make this video that long because it's just a tutorial. I wanted to show you guys the very new plane, aircraft. It's so good. Whoa. This plane is very difficult to control, so just trying to stick around over here. Oh my god, I think we're gonna crash. Are we gonna make this? Come on, complete it. Oh god, we crashed. Okay, oh, we are back. This is a different mission. Oh, target destroyed. Another target destroyed. Oh my god, that was very close. We almost crashed, guys. Did you see that? I think our plane, aircraft is still in a super good condition. Okay. Let me know what you guys think about the top speed of this aircraft. Stand to the end of today's episode. We're gonna test it out. Oh, I think we should just do it right now. Okay, let's go ahead and do it right now. Oh god, we are shooting some rockets into the air right now. But I think that top speed is really okay. Oh my god, right now it's 317, 220, 227, 290. Oh my, it's reducing. Okay, oh, we just destroyed a target. I think the top speed of this aircraft is gonna be 402 miles per hour. If you guys guessed it, good job. Whoa. Come on, this plane is very difficult to control. I'm just trying to stick around right here. Especially when you're trying to turn the plane to the other direction, it really is very difficult. Okay, now we are back again, and this time I think we are going to complete the mission. Whoa, guys, check out the way I'm destroying it. Whoa, we just completed the mission objective. This means we completed the tutorial. Mission accomplished. You guys can see it. Okay, let's go ahead and whoa, this game is real sick. Guys, we accomplished our mission for today, and I'm very happy about that. If you guys enjoyed the episode, very nice. I think God received a very huge reward, about 3,000 lions. Yeah. Oh great. Unfortunately we're not able to use this plane, but it's so cool right here. So, no worries. That one. Okay. This plane is so cool. But don't forget to like and subscribe to Very Freaky Gaming, and also don't forget to leave a comment there. Please leave a comment and share the video too. Okay guys, see you in the next episode.